Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to download Kick Stream on PC. We're gonna use BlueStacks, so go to your BlueStacks website at bluestacks.com. Click the download BlueStacks button, and once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your PC. After installation, launch it and sign in with your Google account to access Play Store. Open the Play Store inside BlueStacks and in the search bar type Kick Live Streaming. Find the official Kick app by Kick.com and install it. Once installed, click Open or find the app on BlueStacks home screen. Sign in with your Kick account, and now you can watch live streams, chat, and explore Kick directly from your PC using BlueStacks. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.